guys!
Hey guys!
Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making a tunnel slide with a tunnel, a blanket, and some pillows. So let's go. We don't need that yet. We need the small pillows. What we need is some small pillows and put it at the edge of the couch like this. And keep piling it up like that. Okay, so we need the pillows and I'll put it. Here you go. Now, today we need this for after. So hold this. So that's it. All the small pillows we have. And now Sydney's gonna put it over here. No, over on the side.
You put it on that side there?
Not on the side. Yeah, like this. And make sure it's sideways so you can slide now.
Yep.
So now we need the tunnel. So now we're gonna put a tunnel on top of the pillows.
Yep.
So let's open it.
Open it.
Oh, and I'll do the last one. Okay, yeah.
So open here and there.
So
we have our longest tunnel.
And so now we need
Hey,
those
wait.
two
It's not done
big
yet.
pillows.
Big pillow, one. And I got the second one.
And we need to put it inside like this. So then you put that one right there.
Yep.
There we go. So if you have any toy tables or chairs, you can use it to just put it against the pillows for support. Now you need to take this. I don't know what this is. Take this toy and put it at the edge over here. And take this pillow and put it right there. Now we're going to take this pillow and put it against here. Now for the last part, you need to put the blanket. So Ryan, you take one end.
I'll take this end. Make sure it's this way
And the long side.
the long side. And just put it covering everything.
And the hole has to be covered like this too. So let's go inside the tunnel. Go. Go. Now I'm gonna go.
So now I'm gonna go. Yay!
Go. We hope you enjoyed the video.
Make sure you subscribe and leave a like.
And you can use as many materials like blankets and pillows as you want. So bye.
Bye!
Sleep, go.
Bye!
Go.